What's going on, everybody? What's crack-a-lackin'? So, guess what happened today? I started working at 7 o'clock, and lo and behold, it started raining. So I'm here taking my break early. What time is it? I think it's about 9 o'clock. Usually take my break at 9:15, 9:30. So this is what I'm having. Look at that. My wifey made some I don't know what you call it, beef rolls, bacon, and having my salad. Some salad. So I'm just hanging out. Gonna have my bacon. Good bacon. It's all good. And apparently they're shutting down the job soon. So I'm gonna take my time eating. And just chilling out in my car until I get the green light to go home. Wow. And beef rolls is wicked. It's chewy. Has a very delightful, beefy taste. Cheesy. Now I can taste the cheese. And it's not just ordinary cheese, it's like herb and garlic cheese that my wifey put. Truly majestic. I think that's the word I gotta use for it. It's majestic. Now a piece of bacon. The salt kind of like, enhances your taste buds. The salt on the bacon. I'll chew on the bacon. And wow, that's a big beef roll. Chew on the bacon. Let the taste bud come back. And take a bite of this wonderful beef roll. Wow. It's just the perfect balance of salt and pepper. Amazing. And if you want a little bit of salt, take your bacon. It's total exquisiteness. And if you want a little bit more, if you want to be adventurous, if you want like a cheesy salt in that bacon, take a piece of feta cheese. Wow. I'm gonna do it over again. Ready? I'm gonna do it one more time. Take a piece of bacon, chew on it so the salt kind of reinvigorates your taste buds. Take your beef roll, stick it down your throat. No, put it in your mouth and savor the moment. Ready? See, now I got like salt in my taste bud. It's craving to have a beef roll now. Okay? Wow. Oh, look at that. There's also bacon in my beef roll. That is wonderful. Some guy just passed by and look at me like I'm crazy. Talking to myself. on the camera. Have some salad. Oh God! Tell you, this there's a perfect balance of salt, pepper, cheese, and greens. And of course, the herb and garlic cheese. Now for the last piece of the beef roll. I'm going to complement it with bacon. At this moment, when you're chewing something this good, you close your eyes and you kind of let your imagination take different colors in your mind. Right now I'm seeing bright yellow, orange, pink, red. I think that's my blood going through my head. Red, yeah, that's blood. Wonderful. Now, the last piece of bacon in my mouth. Thank you everyone for watching me eat this morning.